At Sprung Structures, we have been innovating our products for over 130 years. Today, with over 12,000 structures in over 100 countries worldwide, we have created building solutions for organizations across multiple industries that have enabled them to evolve and expand in ways that have reshaped what is possible on a global scale. Sprung has been providing structural solutions for municipalities and public works departments across North America for decades. The demand for high-quality, corrosion-free, maintenance-free structures has increased as our population grows and as older facilities need replacing.
In 2016, we moved into this facility that we're at right now. Previous to that, we actually did not have any kind of a salt structure, which is a requirement that we need to have anyways. And it's certainly a hardship not to have one. It creates a limitation on what you can store.
We have been providing innovative solutions for sand and salt storage, maintenance facilities, fire stations, warehousing space, and more across the nation. A sprung structure is all about high performance, longevity, and reliability. We use the highest quality membrane with a 25-year guarantee, combined with our patented tensioning system and a corrosion-free military-grade aluminum substructure with a 50-year guarantee that offers unrivaled corrosion protection, meeting the needs of all public works departments. We ensure longevity and durability in any climate and outperform steel structures at every turn.
So one of the reasons we really like the Sprung Structure building, Eagle Mountain City has very significant winds. Especially with the storms like we had last week with a lot of wind drifts and heavy winds. When we looked at purchasing the Sprung Structure buildings, we'd seen where they were used in a lot of places that were pretty extreme weather, and it's performed very well here. It's nice to have a salt pile that's dry and protected and quick access.
A salt storage sprung structure provides the option of a completely contained ground-mounted structure or an open-end structure mounted to a concrete retaining wall. Our ground-mounted structures are easy to anchor on an asphalt surface with the Sprung Earth Anchor system. At a time that requires the reimagining of the construction industry around the world, the demand for faster, more flexible, cost-effective building solutions is more important now than ever before.
By the time we were getting into building a permanent structure to hold the salt, we were getting pretty late into the season. And that was another thing that Sprung Structure was a fantastic choice for. The building was built in, I think, less than 7 days. By the time we had gone through the contracting process and the agreement and ready to build, I think we were in November. Within 7 days of them being out here and building, we were putting salt in it. Winter was right around the corner, so that was very good for us.
At Sprung, we are here to provide fast, durable solutions for public works as they support the municipalities and communities they serve.
When we were looking at what facility we wanted, the Sprung Structure really stuck out to us just because of the mobility and durability and the multiple uses that when we looked at traditional buildings, they were permanent structures and they typically couldn't use them for multiple uses. And we like the idea of it being able to be mobile and being able to be used for, if it outgrew its use for one thing, you can use it for another.
Contact us today for more information on how we can provide a Sprung solution for your project.